What is up, guys? Welcome to today's market recap. Today, price action wasn't bad, wasn't bad. It was good, was good. I did have to get off around 10:15, so I missed the best setup of the day. I don't know if I would have taken it though. I'll go over it. And yeah, going into the day, I had a pretty strong bullish bias. Um, We had relative equal highs with an unfilled double Ferrari gap, and it was also Asia highs and London highs. So like relative equal highs, there's just such like an obvious strong liquidity. There just really wasn't like that good of key levels. Like this low here is just a low. It's not inside of anything. Like you could say this order block. I mean, it is inside of this daily gap, but it's just like really high time frame, and it's not like the soup that you want to see happen, right? So I wasn't really a big fan of anything. I guess I was this low inside of this 15-minute fair value gap, but it's a bit sketchy. So I didn't really love it. There was a 30-second there. This inverse, I don't really love it though. It did play out, but I'm okay with not taking it. I don't really care because I wouldn't have conviction on it. And if it had lost, like I feel like it would have been an avoidable loss. So yeah. Then we ended up going higher and we take out the drawn liquidity. But even though we take out the drawn liquidity, as you can see, this is how we close above the highs, like pretty strong close. And if we go to the 4-hour fair value gap, what happened? I mean, 4-hour time frame, we inverse this 4-hour fair value gap, as you can see. And so even though we're on this hourly fair value gap here, we got the 4-hour inverse to the upside, and that holds more power. So you can still expect longs. We ended up opening up a 15-minute fair value gap here. We also had a more discounted 5-minute fair value gap here, so that would be the lowest point you would want to see us go. We ended up trading lower. We ended up respecting the 50-minute fair value gap, like wicks all the way down. But what's the close up here? We never got a close under it, so we respect the 50-minute fair value gap. Um, and there was this 1-minute inverse here, which I think is pretty nice. Now I wasn't on the charts at this time. I was driving, but if I was on the charts, honestly, bro, like I feel like I would have faded it. Like looking at ES, we had inverse gaps, and it looked like we were going to go and take out these lows. So that's like a bit sketchy. And also here on the inverse, we ended up taking this intermediate high, so like this high inside of this 1 minute fair value gap. So that was also more sketchy. Um, and yeah, but we had all of this LR, like accumulation, manipulation. We can expect distribution, and I think it was pretty nice. This would have been like a break-even trade, break-even at this high, unless you didn't go break-even just because all of the LR, which I think, like if I had taken this, I would have been break-even just because I didn't have like extremely like high conviction. But yeah, um, that was pretty much like the setup of the day. Uh, and if I was on the charts, I don't think I would have taken it honestly. I would have faded. But yeah, it is what it is. And there really wasn't anything else. I don't think there was even a losing setup today, like this long, and then yeah, this 5 minute reimbursed. So yeah, um, yeah, quick recap. Not really much to today. First day of December, Monday. So yeah, hopefully tomorrow's clean. No news though, so that's whatever. It's fine. I'll be bullish. Um, I'm probably gonna go wanna take previously high. So we'll see. And yeah, that is it for today, and peace out.